Hello, today I will be showing you how to use the SUMIF formula to give totals of account numbers. As you can see, I have 4 columns here, one with the account number, one with an invoice number, a date column, and an amounts column. So we're going to use the SUMIF formula to tell us what the total for the account number for these accounts are. 123, 187, 160, and 124. So in order to give me the totals of all the amounts that pertain to this account, we use the SUMIF formula. We're going to use equals SUMIF. We're going to use our range. So we're going to use D5 to D20. Then we're going to identify what account number we were searching for. So in this case, we want to search for this account number in that column. From there, we're going to take the sum of the range, so that would be column G. So we're going to use G5 to G20, and that will give us our total for that account. So as you can see, it came out to 22,750. And if we check it, all the 1, 2, 3s, you can see right here, the total matches this total. So the reason why I use the $sign, which can also be used by F4 key, is so that the formula will drag to the other columns, so we don't have to retype them for these accounts. All we have to do is just drag this down, and it gives us the totals for all the account numbers. This is very handy. I use this a lot where I work, and it saves a lot of time. So this could be used for any range you could imagine. It could go 100,000 cells or however many you need. So if you like these videos, please like and subscribe, and I hope you have a good one.